Today I want to tell you about a complete tutorial on marketing automation software for business. Watch the video till the end for the whole information. Hello everyone, welcomes back to my channel Ajay Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online, and I can share information regarding the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. So if you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying videos and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. I provide full information on the tools and website apps in the form of a tutorial. Watch the tutorial till the end. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, link in the description box. Subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end for the whole information. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is LEADSQUARED CRM and how does it work? LEADSQUARED is a cloud-based marketing automation and customer relationship management (CRM) solution for companies of all sizes. How is LEADSQUARED working? With its seamless capture technology, LEADSQUARED allows users to capture leads from a variety of sources. Automates lead capture, lets you capture leads from all sources, including phone call, emails, online ads, chat, lead generation sites, blogs and events. Is LEADSQUARED a good company? Recommendation probability. LEADSQUARED is an excellent CRM and marketing automation tool. The price is also reasonable, and it's not like other large companies that charge a lot of money for simple features. The software is easy to use and produces reliable reports. What are your views on LEADSQUARED? LEADSQUARED is a marketing automation and sales execution tool that helps companies close more transactions, control their pipelines and accurately and fully attribute their ROI to individuals, marketing operations, lead sources, goods, and locations. What is a customer relationship management system, CRM, in marketing? Customer relationship management, CRM, is a technology for handling all of the company's customer and future customer relationships and experiences. A customer relationship management system, CRM, aids businesses in staying in touch with clients, streamlining processes, and profits. What is the CRM procedure? The CRM method consists of 5 key steps for keeping every customer interaction personalized and meaningful. A customer relationship management system, a CRM system, gives the team the information and tools they need to carry out this plan and convert leads into customers. Why does your company use the LEADSQUARED self-serve portal? Paperless, self-service, and fast. Remove paper from the application process and replace it with self-serve forms. Increase the number of people who apply. Self-serve application forms allow you to increase the number of applications you receive from all of your sources. Safe and private. For your clients, prospects, and partners, a password-protected login interface is available. Application tracking in real time. Allow applicants to track their progress, pick up their applications at any time, and download them as PDFs. Sensitive types for mobile devices allow users, prospects, clients, and partners to use a mobile chatbot to access the portal and forms. Using payment integration, you can capture direct interactions with applicants while also reducing the amount of time it takes to process them. What types of portals is LEADSQUARED compatible with? Application forms, customer accounts, referral management, and more are all available for self-service. 1. Education is quite important. Web-based application. Profiles of students. Portal for publishers. Portal for teachers. Access regulated by position. 2. Investing. Online loan site. Profiles of creditors. Agent referral page. Automation of processes. Customer service platform. 3. Purchasing real estate. A broker's portal. Online referral system. Portal for aggregators. Platform for agents. Automation of processes. 4. Healthcare facilities. Patient access portal. Portal for doctors. Access regulated by position. Customer service platform. Automation of the process. I hope you all really like the video. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Leave a comment on which topics I make a video. Hit the like button and press the bell icon. Don't forget to share. Good luck.